Run it up, Kel. 5'9s, I was hopping through the windows. Really doing stunts, they wasn't coming from Nintendos. Catch me outside, but I'm smoking on this endo. I set the bar in this bitch, real life limbo. Ratchet little bitch wanna fuck from the east side. She hate when I go up, but she still ain't seen my mean side. Been getting paper, counting chickens since knee high. Too many bitches wanna fuck, I can't decide. Tryna beat me, it's a long shot, and you ain't Curry. I just made 4 bands, it ain't even 8:30. Remember back nail biting, now I ain't worried. I think they maxed me in the Stink Team, wear the same jersey. Had to touch a couple chins just to see if my squabble up. Bad influence for anybody tryna follow us. Sandy cheeks all in my face, tryna swallow nuts. We celebrate stars around here, it's like Hanukkah. I be catching on the waves, I be catching on the lies. You just here for one round, I can see it in your eyes. Think I'm friendly, but I'm not. I'm a master of the skies. This too good for me to have. You getting passed to the guys. I remember getting caught, I was fucking up. They wasn't tryna dick right, now they sucking up. You ain't in the game, crunch time if you ain't clutching up. Niggas say they rich, they got a mill up in Usher bucks. 4 5'9s, I was hopping through the windows. Really doing stunts, they wasn't coming from Nintendo. Catch me outside, but I'm smoking on this endo. I set the bar in this bitch, real life limbo. Ratchet little bitch wanna fuck from the east side. She hate when I go up, but she still ain't seen my mean side. Been getting paper, counting chickens since knee high. Too many bitches wanna fuck, I can't decide. Dumbass, you know I'm back. Sleeping on X and all that stupid. All that. What up, Ralfy? What up, Monk? Hey. It's still fuck 12, but I'ma always be a next stepper. I like your bitch cause her neck better. I've been chopping up this green like they bell peppers. You ain't gotta pick 'em up, this gun got a shell catcher. I know a buzzing ass beat with the best nectar. We done scoped it out for days now, we got the best preppers. Come and get it straight from me, I got the best pressure. She don't have a Twitter, but she known to have the best header. Hey, bitch wanna get to me, she need a dog catcher. But you ain't Mr. Willie Jones, baby, you a far-fetcher. Niggas ain't gon' ever stand out, cause they bars regular. Giving little nigga shots, fuck the bar inspector. With the foreign whip crashers, not the car respecters. I don't know which one to pick, I'm an arm selector. I'm a slide, fuck that, we ain't all reflectors. Yeah, I know that we some jerks, but not at all rejectors. I know the black John Wick, he like the boogeyman. If I don't knock his ass out, I know her cookie can't. His ghost gun stalling on his ass, he in a rookie jam. My bitch don't bet on me, it's boo, cause my boogie can't. Niggas need to quit playing with them Usher bucks. I had to sock on your son, he wasn't tough enough. You can't take 10 of these, nigga, you not buff enough. My side bitch getting mad at me, we don't fuck enough. It's still fuck 12, but I'ma always be a next stepper. I like your bitch cause her neck better. I've been chopping up this green like they bell peppers. You ain't gotta pick 'em up, this gun got a shell catcher. I know a buzzing ass beat with the best nectar. We done scoped it out for days now, we got the best preppers. Come and get it straight from me, I got the best pressure. She don't have a Twitter, but she known to have the best header.
That's your bitch, she for the bird, she got the best header. Stay with a Ruger, 5'7" for the best wrestler. 5 bands to get a nigga whack, I got the best steppers. I ain't even wanna hit your bitch pussy cause her head better. You the type of nigga get smacked charging your Tesla. Type of nigga rake the bitch, Uncle Chester. I hate these old bum ass niggas tryna give us legs. I send the bitch to go give me 10 bands just to test her. She don't eat long dick and balls, the Lord really blessed her. I like the way you put it in your throat, it's really clever. I'm the type that wears a Vinci or some Skechers. I got that shit on for a fact in any weather. Every school that I went to, I was the best dresser. Bitch gave me her money by choice, I ain't had to press her. You say you wanna kill the plug, it's a long line. I tell all my bitch I need my money on time.
It's still fuck 12, but I'ma always be a next stepper. I like your bitch cause her neck better. I've been chopping up this green like they bell peppers. You ain't gotta pick 'em up, this gun got a shell catcher. I know a buzzing ass beat with the best nectar. We done scoped it out for days now, we got the best preppers. Come and get it straight from me, I got the best pressure. She don't have a Twitter, but she known to have the best header.
Put him on the front page of the news, he's a headline. I keep a gat and I'm quick to shoot, just a reminder. Take about a bitch and hit your knees, call me sire. They saying that they sliding with them niggas, a bitch you a liar. Go to war with us, man, you niggas hella broke. Could've seen how fast if a nigga wants to smoke. Niggas kings of comedy, man, them niggas all jokes. He tried to slide with a ghost, he got turned to a ghost. Like a garnish in a pot of leaves, nigga, I'ma blow. On the bitch bumper kit, breathe it down the bitch throat. Tryna say the right thing so I can turn her to a hoe. Make her slide on the blade, race sleeves on the snow. Stink Team running shit, if you ain't know, now you know. Knock a nigga down fast, leave his brain on the floor. I'm in love with Maylene, that bitch got good though. Her little cousin Sue Young, keep her pennies on the floor, money monk, bitch.
Salsa on the beat, bitch.
I ain't tripping off a bitch, I ain't got no laces. Seeing all these bitches at one time like I'm at 4 places. All you wear is pink, girl, you are so basic. Bitches always begging for the dick, but they ain't gon' take it. We in a pandemic, flocking ain't dead, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga. They popping lips, they ain't popping they lead, nigga. Stopping they bread, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga. Everybody got money since that loan, nigga. Look, I don't fit the description, you got the wrong nigga. And I ain't flocking right now, cause you at home, nigga. I be outside with the problems, and you a phone, nigga. You talking about a bitch, I'm a flocker, that's a sneak link. Running through your house fast as fuck, little ting ting. Sitting on some bands, fuck, sitting in the precinct. A well done nigga, but I like my bitch meat pink. A ADT bracker in a ring, bring smacker. I can't trust a bitch, I don't even trust a pastor. Why fight niggas, bullets get to him faster. Pussy come to me, nigga, and you're an attacker. Sad, keep a thumper and I'm about a bag. Like rat, I'm ready to hit. First day of pads, say the titties is cool, but I'm looking for the ass. When Corona had started, I wasn't finna buy a mask, cause I'm a flocker. Star players all down this roster. You ain't shit but a beanbag, a tosser. You ever ate caviar sitting on some lobster and lead a bitch to the streets, cause she a walker? Niggas living off faith, but don't know the Bible. Cutting bitches off for anything, we don't hold a title. What's your whole facts, bitch? Shit, I don't know the miles. Niggas ain't never beat the odds, they don't know a trial. I looked up to myself, I don't know an idol. Been showering with bitches, but I don't go to bridals. How the fuck is you a threat if I don't check your file? Every bitch I fuck with got only fans in they bio. On the game, I ain't tripping off a bitch, I ain't got no laces. Seeing all these bitches at one time like I'm at 4 places. All you wear is pink, girl, you are so basic. Bitches always begging for the dick, but they ain't gon' take it. We in a pandemic, flocking ain't dead, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga. They popping lips, they ain't popping they lead, nigga. Stopping they bread, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga. I ain't tripping off a bitch, I ain't got no laces. Seeing all these bitches at one time like I'm at 4 places. All you wear is pink, girl, you are so basic. Bitches always begging for the dick, but they ain't gon' take it. We in a pandemic, flocking ain't dead, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga. They popping lips, they ain't popping they lead, nigga. Stopping they bread, nigga. Flocking ain't dead, nigga.
Bitch, you made this.
Hey, she said I'm popping and I know that, it's obvious.
Don't you have a girlfriend?
My bitches always state the obvious. I still ain't blew up, niggas still off crack, obviously. He still tryna figure who the new dude. It's probably me, you bitches need Jesus. Show your ass to do the remedy. Niggas always broke, no joke, niggas comedy. She told me text it when I make it home, I told her probably. He moving like he ain't been there, shit obviously. She said she like to hear my accent, I talk right. Gave her ass Ricky back shot, she can't walk right. I'm still pulling up with fire shit on my off night. Bitch keep grabbing on me, stretching out my off-white. Come and get a method from me, the sauce right. Homies call her friendly, I'm Mike Vick when my dogs fight. My bitch just called me cheating, should be alright. Big dog, baby still fucking with them small bites. You be at the studio, making bullshit. I be at your baby mama house giving hood dick. I made her start her OnlyFans, yup. We got good clips, this bitch slap, nigga. On the gang, we gon' push this. I ain't finna argue with a nigga, I ain't Stephen A. We ain't finna talk about that shit till we beat the case. How the fuck that's your bitch and you ain't eat today? I done resurrected, damn it look like it's Easter day. Yeah, you got a hoe, but she give up the cheapest dates. I'm 91, find somebody else for the cheapest rates. Yeah, the Mac work, but under there's a piece of face. He ain't a ghetto kid, he just wearing some DGK. Dirty ass, fuck a COVID mask, got a burglary mask. I ain't coming home until a nigga see a 30 bag. I just wiggle from the police, I'm proud of me. I'm the real thing now, nigga ain't no prodigy. Bing bong, back and forth with bitches playing ping pong. Once she on, it's hard to get a bitch off my ding dong. Her nigga don't like me, stop popping it, her theme song. Bitches know my famous magic trick is called Be Gone. Niggas in a room full of bitches wanna look at Kurt. I ain't going to Melrose just to look at shirts. I said trends with these bitches, I hit it first. Bury nigga alive, make his dumb ass look at dirt. Hold on, let me talk about these fish, y'all ain't drip down. Lil Dave see me walking by, we have to get down. Don't worry about me, worry about your car, it's at the impound. She know I'm like Floyd, I'ma go more than 6 rounds. This is real life, and you can't get right. I done seen a God and a devil, this like my 5th life. I ain't tripping off no nigga, I know when shit hype. Ask Larry Bishop if you think you can't get life. Gang said I'm popping and I know that, it's obvious.
Don't you have a girlfriend?
My bitches always state the obvious. I still ain't blew up, niggas still off crack, obviously. He still tryna figure who the new dude. It's probably me, you bitches need Jesus. Show your ass to do the remedy. Niggas always broke, no joke, niggas comedy. She told me text it when I make it home, I told her probably. He moving like he ain't been there, shit obviously.
Sauce on the beat, bitch.
Ayy, If you wanna go there, then we there with it. You niggas think before you shoot, cause you care with it. I am not Big Rudy, can't go burying it. I'm only tryna fuck this little bitch, cause her hair different. I used to fuck the same bitch till I got hoes. Niggas wanna talk about a squabble, but ain't got those. This gun is my right hand man. We ain't the box bros, your bitch giving head while I drive, I'm hitting potholes. I wake up and get the chicken, what is Roscoe's? He don't wanna get down with a nigga, rather sock hoes. I can't tell the same lies, cause they got old. He rap about every fucking gun, but do he got pole? Broke niggas love speaking on me, who are you to talk? Bitch talking about I know you see me, who are you to stalk? The only time I think about a bitch with the nudist thoughts. Bitch gotta go if she thinks she too cool to walk. Hey, I just left her in the dust, so what the fuck face? You ain't never had it in your trunk going upstate. It's 2022 and you still know the bus rate. I got sandy cheeks if he thinking he a nutcase. Ghetto ass nigga, wasn't never taught no etiquette. Nigga say he raw, but on God the nigga edited. I'm from the Stink Team, I know the pastor and the reverend. Nigga got some money, yeah that's cool, but who you better than? It's niggas out here beefing with non-existent enemies. Them EDD boys still living off of memory. Man, gotta catch it back before I catch another penalty. Ay. Lying to the bitch, cause that's the best fucking remedy. Man, I'm the same nigga from last year. No, I ain't changed for shit. Yo bitch hit me up when y'all fight, need to change your dick. You gon' die, taking a long time trying to change the stick. She tryna get her miles up, coming taking trips. Putting pressure to the test on one of them niggas. Getting cold out here for all the rats and the chinchillas. Man, my baby mama make me like big bitches. Said this is calling, don't nobody know his 10 digits. Cloud chasing just mean you gon' die faster. He still beating on your ass cause your eye blacker. If I told you the truth, you gon' cry after. It don't take the 4th of July to get a firecracker. Jelly shake like that, but this really a gem. You be on Indeed tryna see who gon' give you a chance. You still at house parties tryna see who gon' give you a dance. Niggas gotta trick him for the cooch, just give me the pants. I don't talk to a bitch, just put it in hand. His bitch tell him what to do, is he really the man? I'm not mad at no nigga that's really a fan. I'm stepping out with blue bucks, nigga, we really a clan. If you wanna go there, then we there with it. You niggas think before you shoot, cause you care with it. I am not Big Rudy, can't go burying it. I'm only tryna fuck this little bitch, cause her hair different. I used to fuck the same bitch till I got hoes. Niggas wanna talk about a squabble, but ain't got those. This gun is my right hand man. We ain't the box bros, your bitch giving head while I drive, I'm hitting potholes. I wake up and get the chicken, what is Roscoe's? He don't wanna get down with a nigga, rather sock hoes.